Today in this shoemaking tutorial, we are diving into TopGrain leather. Do you know what is TopGrain leather and where we can use it in shoemaking? But before we'll start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell button to be notified when my new video will come out. Learn how to make shoes with my step-by-step video courses. TopGrain leather is the second highest quality of leather. It's made by removing the surface of the hide to get rid of imperfections. It's not as durable as full grain. It's more flexible and offers a lot of options for shoemaking. There are many types of TopGrain leather, and you can see all of them in the article on my website, their benefits, thickness, and where to use. But now, in this tutorial, I will mention corrected grain leather. It has thickness of 1 mm, 1.4 mm. It's known for its uniform appearance as surface imperfections are corrected. Usually, it comes with different prints. In our sneakers making course, I picked the best combination with calfskin and corrected grain leather. So this is how you will sew on one of the sides of the upper. Then on this side maybe will be easier, and you just think where it will be easier for you to sew. But follow always the seams that you already have. For example, we had TopGrain leathers. Flexibility makes it great for crafting soft and stylish sneakers. This type of leather is suitable for the delicate decorative elements inside the sneaker's upper. It's easier to create a beautiful stitched pattern enhanced by the form between upper and lining. And that is what we did for our Vans sneakers. So exactly along marks that we have on this decorative element of our upper. I also choose TopGrain leather for its flexibility to craft the tongue and the rear section of low-top sneaker design we offer in the same sneakers course. But what is important here that here the seam allowance is 2 mm. This is exactly seam allowance that we added during pattern construction of this element, so we will sew here in a distance of 2 mm. Would you like to know how you can distinguish between full grain and TopGrain leather through physical examination? What are some key characteristics to look for in product description when buying leather online? Let me know in the comments below this video if you want to learn about it in my next shoemaking tutorial. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button to be notified when my new video will come out. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.